Damn, quite possibly the ultimate everyday Rolex one-watch collection, and possibly one of the best Datejust configurations in my opinion, making it an everyday, every event piece from formal to casual wear. 36mm, fluted bezel, supremely comfortable Jubilee bracelet, hidden clasp and Roulette Date. Alright, let's get into the full review. Hey watch fam, welcome back to the channel for the most relaxing watch reviews on YouTube. Damn, time really flies when you throw a clock out the window. No, since I've last been active in the watch game, a lot has gone down in that time with a global pandemic and Rolex releasing bubblegum celebration dial watches. Checking in today with a review of the Rolex Datejust 36 after 5 years on the wrist. Thanks to everyone for the love on the original unboxing. Bless up and hope everyone is doing well. So why the Datejust 36mm? Simply, it's a timeless piece. For me, I was captivated by the iconic fluted bezel Jubilee design, combined with the precision movement and capturing all of that Rolex history. As most people know, released in 1945, in celebration of Rolex's 40th anniversary, it was the first automatic wristwatch with a date display. And there are so many configurations with different sizes, dials, materials, bezel, and bracelet options, you can really make it your own special piece to suit your own style. Here in the flesh is my previous generation, reference 116234, with the inky black dial. It's very luscious and reminds me of the hard work nights as a doctor. However, I do feel the small disadvantage of the black dial is the small visual appeal due to the stark contrast of the black with the white gold bezel, compared to say the champagne, blue, or even the new minty green dial, which are brighter and flow more with the bezel and case and seems to create a more expansive feel. What's your favorite dial and combination? Drop a comment below to discuss some new takes. Additionally, on this 116234, we have the railroad track with the Romans compared to the minute marks on the newer model, and this seems to further contribute to this kind of more stockier, sporty edge that this older generation piece has. But this perfectly blends with the beautiful white gold set hands, crown, and indices. The indices are filled with lume, really bringing that versatility once again to this being an everyday, every event piece, and no complaints here with the use of the older Superluminova in its strong with a nice green hue. I'll throw in a night shot here for reference, but really nice, and as you may have seen some other reviews comparing it with Chromolite, it seems to do better in darker conditions. Another really cool highlight which brings a pop of fun is the use of the two-color date wheel, or otherwise known as the Roulette Date, and this really harks back to the original Datejust of 1945. The modern version alternates on odd dates being in red and even dated days being on black, as you can see here. Noting this is actually reversed to the original, which had even dates being red and odd dates being black. I believe the Roulette Date was only available on the Datejust 36 models 116234 with certain dial colors, and is not a current option on current releases. But damn, this is such a little cool addition. Every opposing day when you get that just pop of color, and it blends really well with the contrasting colors of the black dial and the silver and white gold on the case. Now let's talk about size. As they say, size matters. There's sometimes two schools of thought on dial sizes, but by no means is 36mm more a lady's size and 41mm more a gent's size. My take is wear what fits you well and piques your interest. You'll be the one living with the piece on your wrist anyway, so best be happy with your choice. I found 36mm is a fantastic traditional mid-size case, and
all due respect, you got no fucking idea.
If Tony Soprano can rock a 36mm Rolex, then so can you. On the wrist, the fit and feel is phenomenal with the oyster case and slightly curved lug ends. It really doesn't feel like the reported 11.5mm thickness. And of course, the stunning white gold fluted bezel. Iconic Rolex. Definitely flashy, and it really brings some pizzazz to the piece. Outside, it really dances in the light. The Jubilee Bracelet is supremely comfortable, and this version has the now discontinued hidden crown clasp, seamless design, and gives that overall jewellery effect while wearing it, bringing more pizzazz. The clasp has a sound attachment when it's closed, and another interesting point of the Jubilee is that it seems to hide evidence of scratches well due to the 5-link construction. And as you can see here, after 5 years on the wrist, it's not very visible unless you get really close in. Although it does leave a bit to be desired, while I love the Super Jubilee, but in terms of being able to have adjustment on the fly. Compared to the clasp and EasyLink bracelet system, which is now available with Jubilees, allowing for slight adjustment up to 5mm and comfortable wear on the fly in different weather conditions. Aesthetically pleasing, but also functionally precise. Inside is the 3135 movement, superlative chronometer, officially certified, to ±2 seconds a day. I usually set my time against time.is, which is synchronized to the atomic clock, and the watch is still running well within at 1 second a day. It has hacking seconds and a crisp crown operation for changing the time and date, and also when winding the mechanism. Outstanding engineering. Rolex is often viewed as aspirational, a statement piece signifying success that you can tangibly connect to mark a milestone in your life. In an overall package, from watch to brand history, the Datejust really hits the mark, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. It's definitely a piece I'll keep long term and look to hand down one day. Of course, being Rolex, this can also inherently come with the typical brand stereotypes, such as flashy or rich, or trying to think you're better than everyone else. Unfortunately, I've come across this, and it does really make you conscious about who and where you wear it around because of the unsaid image it portrays. But look, on the reverse side, it has also opened up many interesting conversations and connected me with amazing watch enthusiasts and communities who love horology for what it truly is. Shout out to the bostonwatchshots fam and Caliber 61. At the end of the day, the best watch is the one that is on your wrist. So buy what you authentically enjoy. It's just a watch, and if we really only wanted to tell the time, we'd all look at our smartphones anyway. Alright, that's it for now, guys. Would love to hear about your watch journeys over the last few years. Drop a comment below to discuss. And if you had any more thoughts or questions regarding the Datejust, leave them in the comment section below and I'll respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming content, and follow me over on Instagram at LeCocktailTime. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to reconnecting with you all. Bye YouTube.